Modern hybrid vehicles, such as the Suzuki Across or the Toyota RAV4 PHEV, come fully equipped with an advanced regenerative braking function. This technology essentially means that you do not actually need to use the brake pedal to gradually slow down the car's speed. Additionally, the process of braking actively recharges the electric motor's battery pack while you drive. To effectively utilize this feature, you can simply use the plus and minus paddle shifters, which are conveniently located right behind the steering wheel. Watch this video until the end to learn how to use it. To begin the process, we first need to activate the EV mode. You can clearly see that the EV mode is currently active by looking for the small green icon located right on the instrument cluster display. Next, while you are out driving on the road, simply press the minus button on your steering wheel in order to gradually increase the overall power of the regenerative braking system. Press plus to decrease it. The greater the power, the stronger the braking and the more powerful the charging of the electric motor. This specific function can be effectively utilized, for example, when you are gradually approaching a red light, or perhaps when you find yourself stuck in heavy, slow-moving traffic for a long time. You can also use this function to better charge the electric motor when driving downhill, so you don't have to keep your foot on the brake at all. The car simply rolls, and as you brake, you charge the electric motor. Now let's take a closer look at the sophisticated gear lever found here in the cabin. The Suzuki Across comes fully equipped with an advanced eCVT transmission system. This essentially means that the vehicle doesn't utilize traditional physical gears that you would manually shift through. Instead, the system intelligently changes the internal resistance for its rotations to provide a seamless driving experience. You can conveniently transition the transmission mode to Sport by simply shifting the gear lever from Drive to S, which gives you the complete freedom to manually change this resistance. Additionally, you can utilize these steering wheel mounted paddle shifters in Sport mode, which makes the car feel significantly more responsive to your specific driving needs. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and comment.